Saputara is at a distance of approximately 245 kilometers from Mumbai by road and takes around 5 hours 10 minutes by drive to reach there. The main attractions of Saputara are Ganesh Temple, Jain Temple, Eco Point, Rose Garden, Nageshwar Maharaj Temple, Paragliding Spot and Tabletop. Saputara is a quaint hill station situated in Dang district of Gujarat. It is the only hill station in Gujarat at an elevation of about 1000 meters above sea level. Saputara is popular for lush green forests, scintillating waterfalls, undulating mountains, swirling winding roads and spectacular landscapes. Thus, it is a perfect getaway for eco-lovers, wildlife enthusiasts and adventure sports lovers. The green hues, lush with flowers, embracing the rolling hills of Saputara looks enchanting. Saputara literally means the abode of serpents. We visited the Ropeway, which is a cableway suspended above the Saputara lake. It is situated across the valley connecting Sunset Point and Vaiti Hotel. Eco Point is situated away from town and has superb view of Saputara Valley. We also visited the Rose Garden, which is a little beyond the bus stop. Saputara is known for its tribal culture, and what better way to know more about it than by visiting the Saputara Tribal Museum. Do share your comments, click on like and subscribe to my channel for more exotic locations and short trip ideas with family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.